landscape group supervisor for not just AC Hotel but for all the AT and Autobahn companies.
Hi, my name is Anissa Montgomery. I'm a landscaper here, the only rose in the garden.
My name is Barrington White. I've been in this field for over more than 10 years now.
My name is David Jackson. I'm in this work 1.5 years now.
I've been in this field for about 10 years, but I've been with the AC family for almost 2 years. I love beautification. I love the comments that I get. They are impressed with my work and I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be with the AC family.
I love my job. Trimming garden, tilling up the bed them and clean up the place.
I've been with the AC for like 2 months or so now. Good so far, I have no complaints, like family. And I have a very good department. Everybody works as one. We live like family.
Me and my team, we have a standard. We don't use scissors and just do any regular pruning. What we do is selective pruning. That's why when you pass or when you visit here, you see the plants are looking beautiful. It's about fun because I really enjoy what I do. You know, and having a team that put out just the same effort. The staff have been so friendly. The management team, they encourage you. Mr. Adam Stewart, who take the time out of his busy schedule to send me a message just to let me know that the landscaping team has been doing a tremendous job that kind of motivate us to do better.